I have a small pond in my backyard that I inherited when I got this house. The pump inside of it is actually broke, so I ended up getting this Terta pump 550 and the filter that goes with it. So the filter comes with the hose that attaches to the pump, and then inside of it, it has a fine particle filter and then a bigger one. This actually cleans pretty well. I got these on Amazon. The pump was about $55 and the filter was $20. I was actually having a hard time finding information on what filters go with what pumps, but I'll put some links down in the description below. So this is my pond. I would assume it's 200 or 300 gallons. I also have an air pump in it for the winter when the water freezes up. I still need to get some plants and some other things for it, but it's better than the muddy mess it was when I got it. The pump comes with several different nozzle sizes to attach hoses to. I ended up finding this large rubber hose in my shed, so I'm going to actually have to order one. This one is 3/4 inch. I think the other sizes are a 1/2 inch and maybe a 1/4 inch. After running this pump for 3 days, I could tell the water had cleared up a lot. But anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or any tips you'd like to give.